Hi you guys, it's AMillian Nevaeh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey y'all, today is Saturday, March 14th, and it is 3:55 in the afternoon right now. This video is just going to be a little weekend vlog. Don't really have too much planned. Right now, me and Alex are at Cabela's. I actually was already in there, already done picked some stuff out, and then Alex was like, you should be recording. I'm like, you know what, you were definitely right. So I came back out here to start this vlog and to pick y'all up. As you guys can see, I got some new frames. Kind of trying to get used to them. I just picked them up yesterday. And they are like way bigger than my last glasses. But you know, like big glasses are like the thing now. And I wanted to do like brown cheetah print look. And this was like the closest I could get to that look. And like, I don't know, it's like I'm feeling it, but I'm not. Like I feel like they're super big. It's different, but you know, it always takes time to get used to something new. So yeah, but let's go back inside. So far I done picked out 2 hats and a fishing pole, because as you guys know, me and Alex like to fish. So yeah, once I get back in here, I'm gonna show you guys what I picked out. I also don't have my mic with me, so bear with me. Right now I'm looking for Alex. And also today is my aunt's birthday party. That starts at 5 o'clock, so we also need to go to her to get her a gift. I'm kind of thinking about getting her a Stanley Cup. But yeah, I'm gonna record at the party too. But let's look for Alex. Found something?
These are 2 different.
Okay, y'all, so let me put my phone in my pocket. So I'm gonna get these 2 hats. I got a pink one, because I know pink's my favorite color, and then of course I had to get me a black. They are kind of big, but hopefully they'll still be cute. And then I picked out this pink fishing pole. Like, y'all cannot tell me this is not cute. So yes, this is what I picked up so far. Alex was looking for a fishing pole for himself now. Oh, aren't you? Oh, how much they do it has to go down. Mine is short. We need to find one that hurts them. Okay, y'all, so Alex just found this hat. I like this one better than this one. Like, this one's just better, and it fits differently, so I know this is gonna look better than that. So we're gonna do this one. Alex is making me put my pole back. Yeah, you are making me. He said it's too cheap and it's gonna break, and he'd rather me get a pole that's more expensive and that's not gonna break. The pole's $40. Is that, I mean, I guess it's a little cheap, but it's so cute and I really don't want to put it back. But if he's going to be the one paying for it and he thinks it's going to break, then I guess we might as well go find a different pink pole. He thinks we should go to Dick's Sporting Goods. So I just had to come update you guys. But I love this color so bad. Like, I'm going to be so sad if I can't find another cute pink one like this one. I guess we have to put it back. Let's see if I can do this.
Hey.
Alright, y'all, so this is what we're getting from Cabela's. Alex is getting this nice fishing bag. I'm gonna get this hat. Now, once we pay for this, we're gonna go to Dick's Sporting Goods, and then maybe I'll find a pole there, and then find my aunt a Stanley Cup. Alright, y'all, so now we're at the Dick's. I need to find me a pink cold. I think this is the one Alex was showing me online. Oh, this one maybe. Oh no, that's the same one. Did it have the push thing on it?
No, I see it.
Alright, y'all know. So we gotta find my a Stanley cup. So let's see. I know her favorite color is purple, and I know like last year for her birthday I got her like a pink purplish Stanley cup. But now I don't know if I should get her this one or this one. I don't know. Alex is saying I should just call her and let her pick out her own. I don't know. I guess I should just call her and let her pick out her own. Let's see. I feel like that just ruins the whole gift.
No price.
Hey, want to pick one? I picked out these two, but I don't know. It's really up to you. There's so many.
Surprise me.
See, I knew I should have just picked one out. Okay, so I called her and she wants me to pick one out and surprise her, which was a waste of my time even calling. I told Alex I should have picked it out on my own.
I said you could have.
Okay, now I need to really sit here and think which one I want to get her. I don't know, y'all. She said any color, it don't matter, so I don't really have to do a purple. But I like the little purple ones. These are cute. I just don't know which one. Like, I like these both, but for some reason I want to do this one. I think this is cute. Should I do this one?
Yeah, sure.
We got the Stanley Cup. Now we are heading to a dollar store so I can get a birthday bag. And then we are going to head to my aunt's because we're actually late. It's 5:21 and it started at 5 o'clock. But it's okay. Tell me why I'm getting Indians and they don't got no pretzels. I eat Indians with no pretzels. But okay. I'm gonna get me a frozen lemonade drink. Probably blue raspberry. Okay, y'all, don't mind my hair. I like cut my hair when I took my braids out, so now I have like a little piece of short hair sticking up every once in a blue moon. But I'm in a dollar store. I need to find me a bag to put her cup in. So let's see.
You don't want two of them, do you?
Two what, right? Two. Must have been the way they were in it.
What about this one?
Now?
And then, do they not have the things to go inside the bags? Like this stuffing paper? Here we go. I found them. I can probably just do a cute little sparkly one. But I really don't need this many. Why do I feel like there's so many in here? Oh, it comes with 20 sheets. I guess we can do that. Okay. I don't know why Alex sent me in here by myself, because now I'm being here forever just picking up stuff that I did not need. I only came in here for a birthday bag and the paper to go inside the bag, and now I'm putting more stuff in the thing. 15th, and it is 1:06 in the afternoon. Please don't mind how the way I look. I just want to get on here and apologize about yesterday. Like, I know I had told y'all we were going to my aunt's for like her birthday party, and I was going to record, and I did not record a lick of nothing. But it's okay, I'm making it up. We're going to figure out something today. I know me and Alex are going fishing, so I'm about to like shower and get myself together. But y'all, I'm just getting home. We had so much fun yesterday. Like, I went to my aunt's, you know, we had some fun, we ate, all that, and then we ended up going out. Didn't get home till late. I ended up staying at Alex's house, all this stuff, and now I'm like literally just getting home. Like, just getting home. I'm like, I have to get my life together. So yeah, I'm so upset I didn't record any of that for y'all. We had a good time though. It was super fun. But like I was saying, I'm about to shower and all that. About to shower and all that and get myself together. Like I said, me and Alex are gonna be going fishing. And yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all with us while we go fishing and whatever else we end up doing today. But yeah, I'm sorry I had to get up on here looking like this. I look crazy. But let me go ahead and get myself together, and I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, it is currently 2:05 now. I am completely done getting myself together. I look super bummy, literally. Like, as y'all seen, I got this hat yesterday, so I threw this one, put my hair in a little claw clip, white crop top, gray hoodie, black sweats, and I'm either gonna wear like my old moccasins or these white Crocs. Not really sure, but no need to get all cute and dressed up to go fishing. So yeah, this is me. I'm trying to really get used to this look. I want to get into hats, but I don't know. I feel like I look weird. I look a mess, and my glasses is big. I'm trying to get used to them. It's just a lot going on. But I'm waiting on Alex to get here. He hasn't texted me yet and said he's on his way. So yeah, I think we're going to Walmart once he picks me up, and then we're gonna go fishing. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys once we get to Walmart or fishing. Okay y'all, so we are out here. It is currently 4:44, and Alex like set up our fishing poles. He set up his new fishing bag and all that, and now we're about to fish. It is pretty cold. Hopefully it's not too cold to not be able to fish, but we're gonna try it anyway. I'm finna set y'all up so y'all can watch us fish. Y'all, I'm not getting any bites. I think I thought I was, but I think I was just getting stuck under stuff under the water. But we gonna keep trying. It is kind of cold, so it might be just that it's too cold to fish. But we need to come back out on a nicer day because it's windy and cold. Wanna move down? We're gonna keep trying though. Hey y'all, it is Tuesday, March 17th, and it is 3:50 in the afternoon right now. Please don't mind me. I know I look a mess. I've been literally chilling all day. I did run a few errands this morning, and then I came home, ate, and did some studying. And now I'm finally up. I do have school today at 6 o'clock. So I just wanted to straighten up a little bit before I go because I'm tired of my apartment looking like this, y'all. Um, so yeah, it's not really much I need to do. I'm not about to go into a whole deep clean. I'm just about to straighten up just a little bit. I have my kitchen here where I got some dishes in the sink that need to get clean. Um, my living room here is not really messy. It just looks like this because I was sitting here and studying here, and then I got my Chick-fil-A there that I just got done eating, so I need to throw that out. And then my bathroom needs some assistance in here. So yeah, that's really just two things I'm really focused on: getting these dishes done and cleaning my bathroom, and of course throwing my food out from earlier. And then yeah, so let's go ahead and straighten up a little bit.
When I make me feel